here I am. I'm amongst the most exotic racing collection that I've seen in a long, long time. Physically looks like a racetrack. I'm amongst Moto Guzzi's, Perillas, Imperias, AJS, Velocet, DKW, Cotton, Scott, Rudge. All the names are here, the famous racing bikes. Norton, BMW, Triumph, Douglas, Gilera. There's one of everything here. Ducati. It's amazing. NSU, Jawa, Harley Davidson, Yamaha. Unbelievable. And here is a trophy from Chas Mortimer, well known in Austria. He was a very good Yamaha racing driver and was one of the only people to beat Agostini on a 350 Yamaha when Agostini was on a Works MV Agusta. So Chas Mortimer, for me, is very famous because he did get one of the trophies in the year that Agostini got 7 trophies. At least Chas got 1. Here is a Ducati. Ducati is a fantastic name. I've got a couple of Ducatis myself. This is a little 175. It was in a nice collection, this bike, years ago. I saw it in Slovenia with the Yamaha over here, the 175. I think the guy made 175s. There were 4 in the collection in total that I remember. 2 now are here in the museum. And from a friend of his is also a 4-cylinder Benelli. What an interesting collection. Absolutely fantastic.